So today is new camera day. I got an Insta360 1X2. I'm gonna talk a little bit more about it on the trail and why I got it, but let's get the bike out, let's get on the trail, and let's have some fun today recording on the trail with my new camera. I'm hoping, since there's quite a bit of overcast today, that this footage will still look pretty good, because I know typically most like outdoor action cameras look way better with a decent amount of sun, and there's just not a lot of sun today. It's all being hidden by some clouds, so figured we'd still give her a go, see what happens. Hopefully my shifter battery doesn't die, because I've not charged it for a little bit. But we'll get going and see what happens. The trails are finally drying out, which is nice, because it's been raining pretty good here lately. So it's nice to get back on the bike, because I've been skateboarding quite a bit here lately, and it's just because the trail's been closed. Because here, when it rains a lot, the trails close, which is a bummer, but I'm just glad I had something such as skating to do when they're not open. That part's so fun. I think I say that every time I record it, but dang, just a blast. I am interested in this camera's stabilization. So, let's see how that looked. I'm gonna put a little snippet here on this. So all the trails are that way, but going down on this, I can get going pretty good, fast-wise, so speed-wise, it'll go probably like 18-inch, give or take. And I want to see how good the wind reduction is and how good you can hear me on the mic trying to talk over the wind. So just a little tidbit. I climb after that little downhill dam section. Like, if you don't know that little climb right there is there, it will get you every single time. Straight up. As Ricky Bobby would say, I want to go fast. I want to go fast. Oh, God. So, sometimes on the trail, I make really dumb decisions, because, like, in the thought, like in the moment, I'm like, oh, that'll be a fun feature to hit. So what just happened, you may ask? I saw this nice little stump. Many times I've seen it on this trail, and I go, you know what? I want to hit that. So I decided to hit it. My back tire hit it and just popped me straight up over the bars. So that was fun. Here's where my bike landed from the actual feature. Jeez Louise, what is that? 20 foot, 25 foot? So, A, I was going fast. B, I did something I shouldn't have done because I was really dumb. So, be better than me. Make better decisions on the trail. All right, let's finish this ride since, you know, why not? Because I'm out in the middle of the woods, so. Woo! Last time I was out here and had an interesting crash, it was actually on this part of the trail too. Look at my handlebars in comparison to my bike. Oh gosh, it's only funny because I'm okay. That could have ended terribly, but I do yoga and stuff, so I'm pretty limber. Also got quite a bit of luck on my side, evidently, so we're gonna walk back up to the top and we're gonna try this section again after I, fix my handlebars and check over my bike. The really interesting part of all this is the fact that when I actually started biking, Marley, my wife, was pretty excited because she was like, man, that's gonna be so much safer than skateboarding. And some of you know this, some of you don't, but after mountain biking for only like 2 months, I broke my tibia plateau. This was like 3 years ago. I just started riding and I was like, oh, I'll be fine, I can do stuff. There is a 100% learning curve when it comes to mountain biking. So be careful. That was the stump I hit. Ooh. Oh no, that was it right there, that one. One of my things that I really do like is the fact that this bike is a tank. It has taken some pretty gnarly falls and has never let me down. And I've had it, what, going on 3 years? There we go. I just absolutely love hardtails. All right. Fruity climb. Yeah. I just need to stop doing this whole section, because this seems to be where I get hit the most. Oh gosh, hurt. Hit the most. I can't talk. Hurt the most. I'm in a bad gear. Now I'm in a better gear. GX axis. Whew. All right. I really enjoy this part of the trail. Pretty flowy. You know, honestly, for being in Illinois, this trail system is pretty good. Especially because, you know, Illinois is pretty flat and farmy, so. Not too bad at all. Nice little reward for the climb. That was a spider web. Blech. Update on the crash. Feeling okay. Got a couple boo-boos. Couple boo-boos to be expected. I'm a little nervous to look at my side. That's what like took the blunt of the force of the fall. So I'll have Marley check that out when I get home. I feel okay though. So might be adrenaline. Might just be me talking to myself that, you know, hey, you're okay, Josh. You got this. But we're at the jump line, so let's hit some jumps now. This bridge was taken out in the last storm. Just got done with my first real ride with the new camera. Hopefully the footage turned out. But hey, everyone take care and thanks for joining. Until next time.